In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Excel in Power BI. If you're new to Power BI, this is one of the most useful basics to learn because Excel files are often where your data already lives. The good news is that importing that data into Power BI is very quick and straightforward once you know where to click. To get started, open Power BI. When Power BI launches, you'll usually be taken to a blank or empty start page. On that screen, look for the option that says Import Data from Excel. This is the shortcut that lets you connect directly to an Excel workbook without needing to go through extra menus. Go ahead and click that option. As soon as you do that, a File Explorer window will open. This is where you'll browse your computer and locate the Excel file you want to use. Take a moment here to make sure you choose the correct workbook, especially if you have multiple versions of the same file saved in different folders. Once you've found the file you want, select it and confirm your choice to open it in Power BI. After the file is selected, Power BI will read the workbook and show you the available contents from that Excel file. Typically, this includes the different sheets and, in some cases, tables that are stored inside the workbook. At this stage, you can review what's available and decide what you want to bring into your report. You can then check the sheets from that file that you want to use. This is helpful if your workbook contains several tabs, but you only need specific data for your analysis. From here, Power BI gives you two main options. You can load the data directly, which is the fastest choice if the file is already clean and ready to use. Or you can choose to transform the data first. Transforming is useful when you need to clean up columns, adjust data types, remove extra rows, or make the dataset easier to work with before it gets loaded into Power BI. And that's it. That's the basic process for importing data from Excel into Power BI. Open Power BI, click the Excel Import option on the empty page, choose your file in the File Explorer, and then select the sheets you want to load or transform. Once you've done that, you're ready to start building visuals and working with your data inside Power BI.